Hey YouTube, welcome back to Pratt Made That. Today we're working on phase 2 of the miter saw station, the dust collection hood. Stay tuned. Okay, now that the plans are drawn up, we're going to go ahead and use some of this 1/2-inch plywood from the old miter station. Change of plans. I'm going to try to assemble it on the bench, move the miter saw out of the way, and then slide it into the pocket. We'll see if that works better. So originally, the top was supposed to sit on top of these pieces of wood, but I did my math wrong and it's short. The good news is that it's short to be perfectly sitting inside the two pieces of wood. So what I'm going to do is take little strips like this and stick them on the inside, like this, and then set the piece of wood on the inside, nail it down. We'll keep on going. Let's see if I can move it without taking the miter saw off. Nope, that didn't work. So I have to take a break from the miter station. I'm realizing that if I install it now, I won't be able to put a straight edge in order to install the fenceless T-track. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that groove, install the T-track, and then I'll pick back up on the miter station. So in order to prevent additional tear out of the cedar banding, I went ahead and clamped two 2x4s on each end, so as I push the router through, it'll blow out the wood on the 2x4 and not the cedar. now that the side shields are done, what's next is figuring out how they stay up there. I think I'm leaning more towards a rail, so I'm considering running a top rail along here that'll kind of hold it in place, and then putting some banding that'll run down the sides of each shield. Try it out and see what it looks like. It's always nice when a plan comes together. So now we're gonna go ahead and work on the little, I guess I'm gonna make it scrap wood shelf to kind of make use of that space. So here we go. Well, I think that about wraps it up for the dust collection hood. I do need to send a shout out to the Wood Whisperer. He actually was the one that kind of inspired the Fenceless miter station system altogether. So kudos to him. I still do have to put some screws in the T-track and then go ahead and make the actual stop block itself. Next, I need to actually run the dust collection piping. So I think that'll probably be the next video. I'm also going to do a blast gate box that I've seen on YouTube that will mount right around here next to the big trash can. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks all for joining in. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to stick them below, and hope to see you all in the next one. Bye for now.